Hi guys, here is the second half of the day 1, week 2 homework. Question G is one that a number of people had some trouble with. On F, we noticed that the variable was written kind of on the side that we're not so used to. So we had the variable on the right-hand side. On G, we have the variable on the left-hand side, so we have the P there, but the terms are written in an order that we're not used to. So we're still going to follow the very same steps. With this, we want to eliminate the number that's added or subtracted from the variable, and then the next step is to eliminate the number that's multiplied. So the number that's multiplied by the P, you can see the 3 is attached to the P with multiplication. So that one's going to stay. What we want to do is get rid of that -4. And the opposite of a -4 is adding 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Okay, here the -4 and +4, those eliminate, and we end up with 3P equals 24 when we add 4 and 20 on the right-hand side. From there, the last step is just the same as all the others. We've got 3 times P, so we'll divide by 3, sorry, and we get P equals 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so it's not, some people had trouble with this one, thinking that you had to always add or subtract the second number. It's not always the second number, it's always the number that's not with your variable. And H is another example of this. So for H, we've got 5 minus 2x equals 19. Now here we've got, again, on the left-hand side, the terms are in kind of an order that we're not used to. The -2 is the one that's attached with the x by multiplication. So the 5 is the one that we have to get rid of first. So I'm going to do the opposite of 5, which is -5 from both sides. So there, those ones are eliminated, and this negative stays with the 2. So that's -2x equals 19 take away 5 is 14. And now I have another problem some people ran into here was missing that negative. The negative goes with the 2, so it stays down there with that 2. So we do have to divide by -2 on both sides, and x equals 14 divided by -2 is -7. Okay. Then I just slide this over a little bit. So for I, we've got a similar kind to F, really, where we've got our variable on the right-hand side, which is a little bit different than what we're used to. So here we've got -11 equals -3p plus 10. The first thing I do is get rid of the plus 10 that's not attached. That -3 is attached to the p with multiplication. So I'm going to do -10 on both sides to get rid of the addition or subtraction. That will be gone. And then I still have -3p. -11 minus 10 more is -21. Then we're going to divide